What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. I hope everyone's having a beautiful day. I just got a phone call from a friend of mine. Hold on. So originally in this video we were gonna work on the Prelude. I already had the tools out. We were about to start working on it, and I got a phone call from my buddy. Pretty much in that phone call, I got really good news. I was so excited that I was eating food at the time and I started choking, so now my throat hurts. We're gonna abandon this real quick and we're gonna pick up some real dope parts for the Z right now, and it's gonna be super exciting. I know you guys are gonna love it. I got my cousin Wajiro coming over right now, and we're gonna do a little collab video together right now. We're gonna go see what's up. Stay tuned. Oh, look who pulled up. Oh shit. New truck too. What the hell you doing outside my house?
I want my gloving now.
Oh yeah?
He's doing a video. He's doing car video.
Hey, Alright, so before we head out, let's get a little cold start. Look at this guy, he pulls up to the front of my house, doesn't say anything.
I said a lot of things. What's that, Transformers?
You like that, right? Yeah. That shit's ugly.
So what we doing?
Alright, so
Are you
project.
recording? Are you recording?
Yeah, we're recording, dude.
I gotta record you then.
You too or no?
Nah, I'm just recording.
You're recording me, recording you.
Yeah. Should I do it sideways? That's
Hold up. You mad, bro?
I'm always mad.
Alright, check it. This is Wajiro's my cousin. You just gotta check him out. Mixit.com. You wanna plug yourself real quick, you know?
Mixit.com, WAJI20. Did I say it right? WAJI20? Yeah.
WAJI2.
2O as an Oscar at the end.
Yeah, 2.
Check me out. You got a little stain in your camera.
Yeah, you like that? That's white. I don't know what that is. So we're gonna pick up some car parts actually right now.
He's gonna pick up some what? Black rims you got?
You don't know. We got wheels, but we didn't tell them what. Right now we got the stock Nismo V2s.
Those wheels fit on my car?
Yeah, they might. What's up? You want to put them on?
They put them on that wheel.
We can put them on the truck, right?
Yeah. That'd be dope.
Yeah, let's do it. They might work.
Still not black though.
Not black, but shit. We'll make it work.
Can't spend no money now.
Why not?
Corona.
Fuck Corona.
Fuck Corona.
We only do flights.
This video is being done at the moment that we don't know when we're going back to work.
Do the fist bump and then the leg touch. Alright, we on the way. We out. Alright guys, so I haven't given you much details of the parts that we're picking up. But if you're already seeing the title of this video, then you know that we're getting new wheels for the car. And I'm so excited to talk about these wheels because I've been looking for them since December. I'm not gonna say what they are. They're pretty special to me. So the thing about this set of wheels, I bought them very messed up. They're all curb rashed. I had one that was bent, or 2 that were bent. So I had a really messed up pair. So we're getting them repaired. We're getting them powder coated. And the powder coat color we got is very, very sexy and custom. So that's pretty exciting, and I can't wait to show you guys. We are on the way. Let's see if we can see Wajiro. We see you in the mirror, bro. Wajiro! What's up, Justin? What's going on, man?
Pretty good. Good, man. Let's see.
You
You the wheels already?
Yeah, let's go look at them.
Yeah, they're nice. They're on the floor. Let's go see.
Alright, cool. So we showed up to Wheel Doctor. This is the place. We're doing the powder coating and the fixing of the wheels and everything. And yo, you guys about to see this hot ass color I picked. Wajiro's reaction.
Woo! I haven't seen it yet.
Alright, let's check it out. Wow. What do you think?
Momo?
Huh?
Momo?
Oh, the Nismo.
Hey, Nismo like Momo's.
He's on top fire. That's dope, yo. That could be you.
Yeah, that could be me right there. Are you still recording?
Yeah. What? What's up?
That's the Super Chrome bracket.
That's Super Chrome?
Homie, when they went in,
Yeah. Oh shit.
when they went in,
What the fuck?
that shit looks like polish. So,
Crazy.
bro, when we shot it, it looked very nice. It goes into the oven, it baked. When it came out, it was cracked.
Like that? Okay.
Yeah, that's why we don't sell that for that reason. We can't really deliver it, you know. And it's a shame because, like, look on the barrel where the super chrome stretched out. Bro, it's so nice, bro. Like, it looks like red anodized.
Yeah, it looks really fucking. I love the color. The color came out good. You can really see it. Wow, damn. Holy shit. This thing is fire as hell.
It's hard.
God damn. The color's crazy. You can see all the flakes, right?
It's so hard to fucking do.
Yeah.
Makes me want to put that color on my truck. I don't know. What do you all think? I don't know. I like it.
Fuck with it?
Huh?
I fuck with it too. Yeah, this is hot. Yeah, it's gonna look good.
So that is gonna be slapped on that. It's gonna look good. Y'all know this boy's colorblind though, right? So we see it better than he sees it. I'm just throwing that out there. Might just have to bring my whip over here. I don't know. See some Chevy Silverado videos. I'm bone stock. I should be ashamed of myself. I think it's fucking awesome.
Hey, okay?
Yeah. Now I'm looking, I'm like, should I put red on mine?
Oh, now you think about it, like, oh shit.
I thought about it before, but I don't know if it'll look good.
Let's do it, dude. Got some, both black cars. We got some red on yours.
Yeah, I will have to change a lot of shades.
You can do the grill right here. Maybe you could do the grill in the same red.
The grill?
Yo, because I was gonna do some other red wheels, cherry. But they're too cherry, dude. I like these because they're.
No, that's nice.
That look, right?
That's an amazing fucking color.
I mean, it's not a crazy look. I almost didn't get it too. They were like, oh, I don't know, dude.
Yeah, everyone says the same thing. Company came by, drove it.
Yo, you can't make
I said, man, you dragged me out of my house for this.
Wow. Yo, we literally only had 2 tires, the rears. So look, the delivery.
Bam!
Delivery got here right on time, man. Hey, I called it. That's some shit. 2 tires right here.
He just got here. He's like, oh, my tires should be here. I only got 2 tires.
Damn, perfect.
Thank you, bud.
No problem, brother.
Fuck. So the wheels, these right here, are the ones I had on the last 2014 Nismo that I had.
Right, that you
Not
sold.
the exact same ones, but the same wheel.
Gotcha.
I always like the look better, so we're gonna put, these are the V2s, these are the V1s. Nismo. They're both Nismo.
Oh.
Okay?
I like these better.
Look at that.
That's hot. Let's go.
You should do it to the truck. You saw those
What?
black wheels in there?
Yeah.
Oh, they look sick.
Yeah, but I don't want that kind of look. I would like.
They look murdered
I'll
out.
take those and powder coat them.
What color though?
I don't know.
That's the thing, right?
Shiny. I don't want to do
It's shiny. It's polished. Or not polished, gloss.
black gloss.
The speed sensor. It tells you how fast you're going. I've had this noise for like since I bought the car inside, and the other day I took off the tire, and when you take off the tire and you let it bounce, or you let it roll, you'll hear something on the inside.
The sensors inside the tires.
The sensors inside the tire.
That's what it's supposed to be.
No. Whoever mounted the last tires are retards, pretty much.
Oh.
They se lo comieron. They fucked it up.
Oh. Send them the bill.
Yo, I'm like mad excited right now. I can't believe I'm getting the wheels and tires and the color that I've been wanting for like, I've been wanting this color combo till I had those wheels on the white Nismo. Oh man, I was like, damn, I gotta powder coat that red. And I've had this idea in my head for like a year or two. And then ever since I sold the white Nismo, I was like, yo, I gotta get another pair of Nismo wheels and then do what I wanted to do. So it's all coming together now, which is like, oh, beautiful, man. It's an amazing feeling when shit starts to fucking fall into place.
Yo, y'all follow Risky Rabbit on YouTube, Instagram, you already know. Maldito Tarzan, you already know. Come by Wheel Doctors whenever you want. Got you, Johnny.
Alright, we're about to do a ginger shot real quick. Cheers. Actually, could have mixed it too. Alright, so we pulled up to the shop. We went to get Starbucks and get food and all this shit. The car's done. Let's see what it looks like. Those things are red, boy. Damn, I forgot I need the Nissan little caps. But look at this meat. Holy shit. So we got 325s with like Continental Extreme contacts. These things are fat. thing is so red. The caliper, yeah, it's pretty close, huh? To the calipers?
Yeah.
It's pretty close in color. Bro, wait till the sun hits it. Damn. Bro, look at this.
Nice.
Hey, so one last time we gotta plug up my cousin right here.
WAJI20 on everything.
Mixer,
YouTube, Facebook,
Twitter,
Twatter.
Twitter, Pornhub.
Twatter. Yeah, well, yeah.
Pornhub
yeah,
coming soon?
WAJI2 on Pornhub too.
Shit.
Guilty.
Yo, we're gonna work on his Silverado probably soon, huh?
Silverado,
The
right
Silverado.
there.
That Silverado right there. We're gonna add some wheels to it, maybe powder coat them. We don't know yet.
Any suggestions? We need suggestions.
Yeah, well, yeah, if you guys, the truck boys on the channel, yo, hit us up. We need suggestions for this 4x4 truck. What do we get? Should we get red wheels for it? Should we get black wheels? What should we put on this? It's a Z71 Silverado.
I think we're gonna go 33s. I don't know what kind of rims. I don't even know what
With some beef?
what fits. What fits?
Get some beef, a 3-inch lift.
Gotta do our 3-inch lift.
Okay guys, what's up? It's day 2. After Wheel Doctor, we ended up going back to Miami Z Parts to visit Victor. He's the one that hooked me up with the wheels, the beautiful Nismo V1s. All the clips I shot there, the audio got pretty much deleted, so I wasn't able to use those clips. So I washed the car and we're getting pictures today to post on Instagram and stuff. So check it out, @RiskyRabbit. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you for the love, people. Thank you for staying to the end. Peace.